So you're in a car accident. You know the other driver was speeding. You saw it. You felt it. But here's the problem. Proving it is a completely different story. Because after an accident, nobody admits they were speeding. And without proof, it becomes your word against theirs. That's exactly what the insurance companies want. Because if speed isn't proven clearly, they can argue fault. They can ship blame. They can muddy the waters. And in North Carolina, that can destroy your case. So how do you actually prove somebody was speeding? It's going to come down to evidence and timing. First off, can you get the black box data? Most vehicles record speed, braking, and movement right before impact, but it can be lost quickly. If the car is driven again, it's overwritten. If it's not preserved early, it's gone. Second, camera footage, traffic cams, nearby businesses, dash cams, all of this can show how fast a vehicle is moving. But once again, here's the catch. Most of that footage deleted within days or weeks if nobody requests it, and then you lose it. Third, is there any physical evidence? Skid marks, debris, position of the vehicles after the crash, all of that can be used to calculate speed, but it fades fast. Weather, traffic, time, all of these destroy that evidence. Are there any witnesses, people who saw what happened, who noticed the speed, who saw how fast they were going? Bad news, their memories fade, and the longer you wait, the less reliable that information is. And finally, the police report. Did the officer note speed or issue a citation? That can help support your case, but it's just one piece of evidence. And why does this matter so much? Proving speed doesn't just show negligence. It strengthens your entire claim, because when speed is clear and it's the other guy's fault, it becomes much harder to argue that you did something that caused the accident. And in North Carolina, that's key, that's critical. Because even 1% of being at fault can eliminate your case. So if you believe speed played a role in your accident, you've got to act fast, because the evidence you need is already disappearing. And once it's gone, and you can't get it back. In cases like this, it's not just about what happened, it's about what you can prove. If you're in pain, call Shane, 980-999-9999.
In pain, so I call Shane, 980-999-9999. In pain, call Shane.